The high street. Alright, so you know Jamaica is active down this side. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. Today I'm going on the road and I'm taking you with me. And I hope whatever you're doing, you're having a great day. It's very cold today, but we're going on the road. So the sun is out though, which is good, but it's freezing. Hi guys, so I am at Canada Water. First time at this station. This is the Windrush line. This is a new train that comes out the other day. So I'm gonna go on it for the first time. We're going somewhere, okay? You might have been there before. Well, I have. The last time I've been there was 99, so I'm going back there today. Let's see the difference. Somewhere that I haven't been in over 26 years. So let's go. I want to see the difference. How does it look now from then? I'm taking the Windrush line. Never been on the Windrush line before, so I'm taking that line now. Okay guys, we're in Peckham, as I didn't tell you where we were going today, but we're in Peckham at the moment. And I'm looking forward to it. The tooth. Okay, I don't know where we go. We go down this side. So there's a market on the stretch. Lots of buses on the stretch. Oh, there's a market down there. Yeah, it doesn't look any different though. It looks the same. It's a zone 2, guys. So this is Peckham. It's been a long time since I've been down here. No, she's asking if I want to do my hair. Oh, what's this? This is supposed to be Puff Puff. Oh, this is a Nigerian restaurant. African food. I don't want no Chinese food or Jamaican food or nothing like that. I want some typical African food. The shopping centre here. It's a shopping centre. Let's go in here. Okay guys, I'm gonna get my eyebrows trimmed, okay? Alright, Leo. So let's walk down, because that was the shopping centre. Nothing much is in the shopping centre. The high street. Alright, so you know Jamaica is active down this side. Card factory. Oh, we're going to go into card factory. I think this one looks nice. You have to go. And this one says that one. So I think I might take this one. This one looks a little bit more manly. Because I'll pick up a card for my mom as well. Guys, I am in the store picking up a few bits and pieces. I'm in Savers in Peckham. Guys, I was going to do my nails, but I just got into Savers and I said, you know what, let's get some nail glue. I'm going to do my nails myself. Here is a restaurant that you can get food. Nothing. This is a Jamaican restaurant. I don't want Jamaican food. I want African food. That's it. Ghanaian food. Like a proper African restaurant. But this one is Guyanese. I'm super disappointed. I was looking for a nice Nigerian restaurant. It's like the third shopping center I've been in, and they don't have no African restaurants. About my food. I told them to get this food. It's really good. I'm gonna go in for it now. Wait. Cat food was £16 for the bill.
Rice it's on 8 pounds. Suya it's on 13 pounds. No, it's like 21 pounds. Combo you'll get small rice, small suya. वैसे रॉक को फिश टेस्ट वैसे take payment
They're jerking something. No. I'm Jamaican, man. I know what jerk look like. And that ain't it. See, I'm like holding my. Oh, look at this! Look at that little dog. Oh my God.
Enjoy 20% off all.
This shop was false advertising. Yeah, false. There was no 20% discount. Huh.